Hi, my name is James and I'll show you how to make a Lego present ornament. And you need 9 of these. And I like to do this and you got to have 2 of these half circle pieces. I like to do this in rainbow order. First, one goes in the middle where you want to put it. And you can use different blocks if you'd like to. Now, you get one of these, put them like this, and then you can put these, you have to put it up one above it. Then you put this here, and then this one goes on the back like this. And this holds the string, and then you can put on your Christmas tree. Thank you for watching, and this is how you make the Lego present ornament.